Well, the something else I can look effort to. Is there anything else you think me something about in relation to your care plan? The pacemaker said the axle kept on doing the exercise for my hip. Is the on the prep plan? Yes, it is, but it has been updated since you started your exercises. I will look into updating that next time I see the patient. I'm also going to find on if you be able to leave the premises. I think some fresh air will be good for you. You will be next better. I am wet with staying in seat so long. I can understand. It is frustrating for you experience as you now have your name